Hi everybody, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, and today I am participating in the 7-day 5-minute cleaning challenge. Now I've already done, I think 3 already. So today I'm hitting a spot that I think everybody has. You know, you have one spot where everything seems to pile up. That's this breakfast table here. Everything seems to stop here. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to take that 5 minutes and I'm going to clean this table, get all this stuff put up, put away, and make my table look like it's supposed to look. So guys, if you're interested in seeing how this turns out, stick around. First of all, here is a look of everything piled up on this table. So now, I'm going to start putting everything away. Here is my clean breakfast table. Everything is in its place. My candles are there. I'm happy. So guys, now if you're happy with my content, you know what to do. Give me a thumbs up, comment, and share my video. And also guys, please subscribe to my channel. Click that button down below, and next to it you see a bell. Click that bell twice. That bell is a notification bell, and that bell will let you know every time I upload a video. And also guys, follow me on my social media accounts. They should be listed down here on the bottom of the screen and also down below in the description. And as always guys, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me saying thank you for watching, and you guys be blessed.